Yeah, hello scrappers. Welcome back. Today I got something a little bit different. Actually, it's a lot different. Guy at work pawned it off on me. And I've been cutting up short iron the last 2-3 days. Made a big dent out there. Okay. Here. If I can get it up here on the workbench. There we go. I think it's a headless horseman's horse. So, I thought, well, be something a little different. I'm not really sure where to start on this thing, so looks like we probably got a couple batteries in here, so I guess I'll try to get them out. Back swivels, so there may be a motor here and possibly in the front wheels. I think there's probably motors. We just have two casters in the back. I'll probably show that. You can see the two casters there. So let's get these. Yeah, barely fits on the bench. Hey, it's there. Yeah, we got storms coming in. So been humid all day. Of course, that's Oklahoma. Horses want to take off. I may have to just bend them sideways on this thing. Or flip them upside down. Got some weight to them. I pulled those two screws out and that still doesn't want to come up. So I'll just hold off on that. I got a wash machine in here so I can tear it down. My bucket down here is full. It's about to overflow. Then I put all my small pieces of tin in, and I'll go ahead and pull these casters off. I don't think I'm going to keep them because they're metal except for the wheels. Wheels are plastic. And there went the bit. Yeah, it gets hard to bend over when you get older. Guess you stay working out, you're probably all right. Yeah, it looks like a lot of plastic. Yeah, I took this week off for vacation. It's pretty slow down at work, but send-outs are supposed to start running this coming Monday over in Building 6, and probably a couple days after that we're supposed to start up. So I thought, well, it might be a good time to take a vacation. So I thought I'd get a lot done around here, but so far Saturday, Sunday, Monday, today's Tuesday, and shoot, the first couple of days I thought, man, what did I get done? I did get that load unloaded here the other day. Now I'll have to find out. Yeah, that one grabbed it. That's where these long bits come in handy. I have these on my Amazon affiliate page if anybody's interested. I'll have a link for that down in the description. I'm just going to pull all the screws I can. Looks like I might have a speaker down here. I got a feeling this horse is one of them that never agree with you. Anytime you say something, it says nay. I know, that's a sorry joke, I know. Boy, that the deepest hole of them all. Right down to the adapter. Lots and lots of screws. Okay, let's see if we can pry this thing apart. I'll probably have to put this great big, hey, there's the battery. Stay. No. I'm thinking I may have to pull this thing out of there. Not that way. Part way, but not far enough, really. What is this? Okay, that's just threaded. See if we can get this thing upside down. I think I need these wide screwdrivers. They're probably torqued in there. Let's see. There we go. I think this will separate the two halves. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Yep. A few days back I had the saddle that was on this thing and started tearing into it, pulling a bunch of screws out. And all that was in there was a spring. Yeah, forget that. Yeah, still must have a screw here holding. Well. I guess I'll, yeah, that one's still in there pretty good. Okay, there must not be anything in there. See what we can do here. I want to see how big these motors are. Probably should have brought the lawnmower trailer around behind me to throw all this plastic in. Let's see. I brought me a sweat rag out here. Where'd I put it? It's just humid. What's the temperature? 70? Yeah, it's not that hot. Well, I think I'm going to have to I got to get these two legs disattached from each other, from the main body, so I can get somewhere with it. There's no way I'm getting in there with this. I can do it by hand. I don't know if that'd be the fastest way, or I think I'll have to use this other one a little shorter, I think. Yeah, a little bit. Put together pretty solid. Ouch. Not much room in there for my hand. And they're torqued down pretty good too. Things in the way from getting into that screw. Key for key here. So here, get it out. That might. I got the wheel off of there. Interesting. Weight on those, but I think it's all plastic. We got a gear here on the end that turns those things. About ready to break out the big hammer. Okay, now we're getting somewhere. Let me set that one. That one's just tipped the bucket over. I'll just set it right there. I may have to turn that fan on, but make a little bit of background noise. But it's getting humid over here. There's no air movement. So south door open, north door open, and there's no air blowing through. Yeah, there's not much weight left to this. It's like a lot of wires. There's our circuit board, a little bit of heat sink. Okay, we got a little bitty motor here. Little bitty motor right there. And possibly maybe another one right here. So interesting. A lot of this plastic comes apart in different pieces, with different molding operations. Makes it a little easier to get some of the wiring. I've got zip ties everywhere, and a lot of real thin wire. A couple clips right there holding the wire. Clip the clips out of the way. Yeah, that's probably a little motor there. Stuff's pretty tough. Yeah, there was a screw in there. So I think I popped this piece off to get down in there so you can get to the other screws. Okay, screwdriver. Now that doesn't even want to pop off of there actually. Another zip tie. The wire's wrapped around that sucker. I shouldn't even bother with this right now, and I'll get that little piece of wire out of there right now. Look at this poker here. Makes me wonder what's even up under that thing. What's under there that I got a wire going to it. Yeah, whatever it is, it doesn't want to come out of there. Nothing much under there really. No. That's why the thing wouldn't pry apart. It's got screws. There's screws everywhere. More screws. And for the micro scrappers, might have a little bit of gold right there. So that's what those wires are going to. Yeah, you can see how even though I'm trying to work on this workbench, keep the tools over there, I still get this cluttered pretty quick with tools. Okay, so I think I got one motor here. Yeah, it looks like a motor here and turns the gear here. And then I got a small motor right here. Why that doesn't want to release right now, I don't know. There we go. Get another small motor here. And maybe another motor up in there. Yeah, I hope everybody's finding good scrap out there. I think that's all plastic. Oh, maybe not, I saw some wires on there. Okay, the wires just go to this little contact here, the push button. That might have a little silver in it, you never know. I don't really micro scrap, so maybe once I retire I'll have more time to research the micro scrapping end of this. Okay, so I'll do the rest of this off camera. Basically I have a few pieces here and this little piece right here, got wires going to it, a couple switches I think. Hopefully this will get us into this piece, maybe. No, more screws. Okay, so all that went to was the plug. More plastic. The guy recycled plastic you'd ever made here. Now, what's inside the leg? Yeah, let's get some of these screws off the table. See if I can zoom in a little better. I know half of you guys watch on cell phones, so try to get you in a little closer here. To get a hold of that thing. Gears, grease DC gears. Well, we know what's in there now. So I probably don't have to take that apart on the next one. Maybe. Okay, let me see if I can't pry this open. No. Okay, what screws are left? That one still in there. Kind of a skeleton for strength. It's full plastic. And got a nice little motor here. And I'm sure the other leg's identical to this, so I'll do it off camera. Hey, if you're enjoying the video, please hit that like button. If you're not a subscriber, I'd appreciate it if you would subscribe. I guess we've got 2 screws here that's holding the motor in. That'd be my guess. Yeah, share the video with your friends. There's the motor. Pull the wires through. Couple little pieces of metal on there. It's not a bad little motor there. Say. Yeah, not a bad little motor. Probably 12 volt. It was doesn't say on that side. A nice little heat sink on it. Well, a big old horse. They have 4 little bitty motors, and 4 little bitty motors and not much else. We're pretty well done with this video, but I thought I might as well show you guys what I got done outside. And cleaning up around here, cut the tongue off that trailer because whenever I move it, I usually just pick it up with the pallet forks on the tractor anyway. But a lot of that short iron I had over here, I got it all cut up and out of here. So that gives me a little more room. I think the next couple days I need to get the tire off the trailer because I got 1 tire with a slow leak. I got a pretty good opening here. You kind of clear it out and run through here with the mower. Yeah, it's getting a little sprinkle out here right now. Not too bad. If I worked hard at it, I could probably, well, no, I got all those over there. You have to tear down. There's no way I'd get all that done in the next couple of days. Then I need to try to get up early, and if it's not raining, and start running the trash routes and see if I can pick anything up in the mornings, and then Friday hit the run around and see what I can, or Thursday night run around and see what I can find for a large trash pickup. So I got this gate and this over here to cut up. So I got this little bit here of stuff to cut up yet. That hot water tank needs to go over there. All that stuff over there has been processed. I think I have 1 hot water tank still has wire in it. So slowly coming along. I need to get busy picking more stuff up, which I got 2 short videos of 2 loads I brought in, but I'll probably get 1 or 2 more loads and get them all put together for one video. Most of them are like 5 minutes a piece, so of course it'll be a quick 10-minute video. So I'd like to put a couple more with it. Still not enough stuff to take in for a load. If I had all of this ready to go, I'd probably have a load. But just doesn't seem like there's enough hours in a day. Especially when you got to cut this stuff up and move stuff around, and then I got just a lot of other stuff going on. But I'm going to call it quits on this video, and hope you guys enjoyed. I got to cut this smoker up here one of these days too. So that thing's heavy. That Lincoln arc welder, I might make wire feed. I may do a video on it. I got these 2 things here. I got to probably scrap that motor, and then this one here, get the head off of it. Looks like the intake may be aluminum too, so maybe. And it's got like a fuel tank or something underneath it, so let me check that out. If I decide to build a drip feed oil burner, that might make a good little reservoir. Well, there's some thunder. It's a little after 6 o'clock, so I think I'll wrap this up and get in the house and get it uploaded. Which I never did get this part tore down, but I don't think that really did anything anyway, because the little motors are what made it swivel, and this back just had casters on it. So yeah, there's my bucket. I say it is full. It's about to overflow, so I need to. So in the morning, got a wash machine in here, so I'll pull the motor out and the wires out of it, and this face plate's probably aluminum, so I'll get that all off of there, and then I'll drag this out where my finished stuff is, and then I'll take that bucket out there and dump it. So little by little, and I'll get the rest of this stuff cleaned up. I'll start tearing down some motors. I tore one wash machine motor down the other day. It had 3 pounds of little over 3 pounds of copper in it. That was pretty nice. Of course, the next 2 I did were both aluminum. So most of them are aluminum, but every now and then you run into one with copper, and it makes it nice. So I think it's about $3.50 a pound, something like that, or $3.25, $3.50 a pound is what I checked the other day for number 2 copper. So a little over 3 pounds. Shoot, that's $10. So okay, I'm gonna get off here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. So bye bye.